Alright guys, this is crazy. About a month ago, I took my old laptop and put it in its original box and put it in the depths of my closet. I wanted to keep it for as long as I could until I opened it, obviously. But the thing is, I actually upgraded to this MacBook Pro, which means I don't need this. But today, I want to unbox it, test it out, and see if it can run Minecraft. This is gonna hurt. Alright, so I haven't seen this laptop in a month. And in quarantine, a month can be a long time, so. Yeah, before I fully open this, let's read out the specs. It has an AMD dual-core A4 accelerated processor, 64 gigabytes of storage. 64 gigabytes! How is that acceptable? 4 gigabytes of RAM, no optical drive. Wow, that's listed as a spec. S mode, Windows 10, and yeah, that's it. What about graphics? Whatever, I think it's integrated graphics, but I'm not sure. Alright. Okay. Oh my god, it's thicker in person. Holy, okay, well, let's just take it out. See that? Charger. This is the charger. And, this was the actual laptop. Oh, it's a darker gray than my MacBook. And, you see this? Some packaging and shit. Oh, and this comes in 2 languages as well. Alright, so, toss it aside, the phone off the laptop, and, yeah, take the laptop out of the bag. Oh boy. She's out. Oh my, it's much lighter than my MacBook. But it's so much thicker. Like, look at the difference in size. This is my first laptop, and this is the MacBook. And the gray, this is actually plastic, and this is aluminium. This is 13 inch, this is a 14 inch. Oh wow. The I/O mostly is on here, and then there's just some simple I/O here on the MacBook. It's mostly divided. Okay, so if we flip it over, that's the MacBooks, and that's the HP. I honestly prefer the HP's bottom, but the HP is thick, and it's actually much lighter. You know, it's much lighter, but it's a lot thicker and larger than the MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro has lots of heft to it, actually. Oh my god, I haven't seen that in so long. This is actually a very good laptop. Oh, and I already broke the clicker. Let me try out the keyboard. Probably still the best keyboard I've ever felt. Yeah, well, let's power on the PC. Oh, I forgot the power button's here. I don't even know if there's any. Oh, there's power. We've got power. We've got power. Oh my god, I'm still not used to seeing this. This is so weird. The bezels are actually very weirdly proportioned compared to the MacBook. Oh, it's done? Okay, well. This is faster than I remember, actually. Okay, well, let's click around just a moment. Oh my gosh, I hate these screens. They're so annoying, actually. And, yeah. So, I'll go through the setup, and then we'll speed test it. So we're done. We booted it up. Now let's just try it out. Oh wow, I haven't seen this in a long time actually. Okay. Now one of the big reasons I upgraded to this MacBook is this can actually handle video editing pretty well. Better than this. And couldn't really find a very good PC. It just died and brought us back, but whatever. Let's get Minecraft. Alright, here's my setup. It'll do for now. Alright, so I've got Minecraft set up and it's loading itself up. And yeah. Alright, so let's boot up a single player game. Oh no. Okay, well, let's make this. Let's name it Test 1. Game mode, hardcore. Yeah. Create new world. Alright. Alright, we join in. We're in. It says, oh, we're in. We're in, guys. Alright, so yeah, I'll report back in a little bit. Okay, so right now the frames per second is going anywhere from 6 to 23 frames. So, playable, but not enjoyable. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and comment down below what you want to see next. Click on these videos if you want to watch more of my content, and click that button if you want to subscribe to my channel. Peace.